The cat spent 3 to 5 business days calculating why the human only has 2 legs before deciding to just launch a full-speed investigation. You hire a plumber, but they just end up making everything worse and then charge you in treats. I warned him that if he didn't stop biting my toes he would have to face the finger of judgment. Exact moment the cat realized the dog's personal space was actually a suggestion. Exact moment his soul and the sausage became one. You want a snack, but your social anxiety sees someone you know in the cereal aisle.
She won't stop. She has a salt lick. It's not supposed to be me.
I asked for a drive-through snack, but I didn't expect the customer service to be this hairy. This guy really took order to go literally and tried to go right into the front seat. At this point, spend your whole shift at the drive-through window waiting for a snack only to realize you actually left the oven on at home. Legends say he is still walking to this day. The feline embodiment of a glitch in the Matrix. This orange cat really chose the hardest difficulty setting for his morning cardio. The loading bar is moving way slower than my hunger. By the time this hits 100, domestic version of the Avengers fight scenes looks a bit more chaotic than I remember and has significantly more flying fur.
Huh? No.
Can't make this up, can you?
That cats aren't just pets, they are personal trainers who lead by example. My gym buddy is fluffier than yours and definitely has better form. Submitting this as evidence. You hear a snack bag crinkle from 3 rooms away and have to recalibrate your finally secure the best seat in the house, but your sibling treats your personal space like a public park. The moment you realize horses are actually just giant cats with no sense of personal space and a very... You try to act tough, but one head pat completely resets your entire personality. Was really trying to be the main character until the puppy entered the chat and humble bragged his way into a jump scare. Face you make when you realize your spa day is actually just a bath and you can no longer pretend to be a fierce jungle predator.
Sasha? What are you doing?
Yeah, I used
Sasha,
to carry one, but then I really
what
ingredients.
are you doing?
It's right there. Chicken, rice,
Смешные. Вы такие смешные собаки. You enjoying yourself? Yeah.
Exact moment he realized it was Rodini and not tuna. The betrayal.
Здравствуйте. Вы ждете, пока вас достанут туда?
You try to look intimidating, but your face gets stuck to the window. Your solo is at 8 p.m., but you have been meowing since 3 a.m. You're trying to enjoy a spa day, but your roommate decides it's time for a wrestling match. Moment when you realize you are not as athletic as the 3 a.m. Zoom eyes made you.
What are you doing?
The pre-workout finally kicks in, but
This?
dog just hit her with the tactical slide and she did not even see it coming. Level 100 sneak attack successful. Your human thinks you are getting a manicure, but you are actually planning their demise. Your cat tries to calculate the jump but forgets he is a liquid. In his defense, the couch was definitely being aggressive. Orange Cat thought it was the king of the bed until the Slinky of Doom decided to choose violence. This is why you never turn your back on a ferret. You are the last Pringle in the can and the final boss just arrived. You have a mini-me, you have to get a mini bucket. Like mother, like full. Awkward moment when you lean in for a kiss and she suddenly remembers every argument you have ever had.
¿Qué? No me gruñas, no me gruñas.
Mistakes were made, gravity was discovered, and the floor is now my only friend. Precise moment he realizes that sharing is caring was apparently just a suggestion. Your orange cat has. Trying to reach my goals without actually getting my life together. Moment when the Arby's bag starts judging your life choices more than your actual mother does.